Alright guys, so I'm not off to a good start, but I'm gonna go ahead and call this the beginning. But yeah, I'm doing a bit of creek fishing today, and hopefully we can get into something. I'm headed back to Higdon, and after I leave here, and I haven't found that many good creeks up there yet, so hopefully I can get into something today. Otherwise I got the pond to fish, although I don't want you guys to get too bored of those type of videos, but I should be able to take the kayak probably, just because it's going to be warm here for the next few days. 70 degrees, I believe. That's how hot it's supposed to be today, at least. Whew, all right, first fish, redbreast sunfish, man. Okay, just getting to spot number 2. Hopefully my mic doesn't die, but water is moving at a pace that I feel like I'll have some success. So let's see. Just tied on a red worm. Oh, yeah, getting hit. Oh. Getting taps, but there we go. And it looks like, all right, just getting fish number 2. At first I thought I was a bluegill, but it looks like a small red ear sunfish. Let's get this guy back. All right, 2 fish in today. Try casting underneath this bridge. All right, so I was getting these small bites under the bridge, but couldn't manage to get anything to commit. Just casting close to structure now. A lot of my worm got bit off. Might need to put a new one on again. It's definitely a tough day out fishing, man. I would have thought I would have been into a few small fish by now. Oh my gosh, man. There we go. Finally. All right, just got the 3rd fish today. Another little tiny red ear sunfish. There we go. Finally. All right, finally got a different species out here. Just a small bluegill. There we go. All right. And again, another little red ear. There we go, decent. Maybe not. Oh, whew, finally. All right, so I just got a little largemouth. This guy just spit up, oh, let's see if I can grab it. Guy just spit up a minnow when I caught him, so that's what they're eating. I have a lure that looks similar to this, so I might try using this in a bit. Oh, saw something come up. Ooh. There we go, fish on. All right, big old shiner. All right, just got a big old shiner on this lure. Alright guys, so it ended up being a decent day of fishing. Didn't get into anything large today, but I did catch probably about 6 or 7 fish, maybe a little bit more. Anyways, I'm headed back up to Higdon. I'll probably try to kayak Britt's pond if it's possible while I'm up there, but if not, I'll try to look for some other places to fish. I actually wanted to get out today and make a fishing video because I don't know when the next time I'm going to be able to get out and film is. We got some stuff coming up in Chattanooga. But anyways, hope you guys are all taking care of yourselves, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care.